Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mario paper crafts. To begin your Paper Mario adventure, gather your essential supplies. You'll need various colored papers like red, blue, white, and beige to capture Mario's classic appearance. Make sure to have sharp scissors, a craft knife, a ruler for straight lines, and reliable paper glue. For a more robust creation, consider using cardstock, ideally around 160 grams per square meter, which provides excellent durability. Now let's prepare your paper pieces. First, print or draw templates for Mario's main components, such as his body, hat, and overalls, onto the appropriate colored papers. Take your time to carefully cut out each shape using sharp scissors or a craft knife, ensuring clean edges. For precise folds, gently score along the designated fold lines with a dull tool or the back of a knife before folding. With your pieces cut and scored, it's time to assemble Mario's form. Start by folding the larger body sections along their scored lines to begin creating three-dimensional shapes. Apply a thin, even layer of paper glue to the designated tabs, then carefully press the corresponding pieces together, holding them until the glue sets. Next, attach Mario's blue overalls to his red shirt body, ensuring all edges align perfectly for a neat finish. To complete your Paper Mario, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully glue on smaller details such as his white gloves, brown shoes, and the iconic M emblem on his hat. Then, draw or glue on his expressive facial features, including his eyes, nose, and signature mustache, to truly bring him to life. Finally, allow all the glue to dry completely for at least 30 minutes to ensure your Paper Mario is sturdy and ready for display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.